Hey guys, Rich Pasini here. Today I want to talk about this program I came across, and I'm working on it right now. As you can see, I'm doing a video on it, and you probably wonder what it is. I'm just going to toggle over here. This is what it is. It's split cam. And for those out there who are thinking about, hello, it's me here. I like the functionality of it. A little lagging here. I'm getting used to it. You know, my computer's not high powered and stuff, so you got to bear with me. But I thought I would share this with you guys, especially if you're a person into creating YouTube channels. I thought this might be a good program you guys might want to check into. I like it. I mean, I got it. I downloaded it yesterday. I was looking for a streaming program. I know there's OBS, and they got other ones that you could use as OBS, and they got another version of OBS, and they got StreamYard and different ones like that. But this one here is free. I mean, it's literally free. I didn't pay anything for it. It's got some nice features. Okay, like I said, I'm not a pro YouTube creator, kind of like maybe intermediate, But for the most part, I like the functionality of this here. Is I got my Stream Deck over here. Well, you can't see. Let me just switch over here. As you can see, I got my Stream Deck here, and the only thing I was trying to configure is on moving the camera shots right over here. As you can see here, I could also get rid of that other part right here by just going like this here, and I get more of a viewable window here. But the thing is, I was trying to figure out how to move from different cameras. I only got two cameras. I got two webcams, two Logitech webcams. So the way I have to do it right now is hit the Control 1. It's a little like I said, it's a little laggy over here, but I do have other things running in the background. And Control 2 brings me again back here. Now, I like this program. I really do. I like it so far. It's good. I'm a very conservative, cheap person, to be honest with you. My daughter, they say, "Dad, you're so cheap." Well, I was thinking about getting the roll-in. It's a little video switch. It's about almost $300, and I was thinking of using that there. I talked to somebody about it. Let me just move back over here. Talking to this here. I was talking to somebody from the Micro Center. That's who I deal with over there, and from B&H. But the person from B&H was saying that if you're going to get that device, you need to do it with OBS, whatever. Now, OBS, I heard from other creators, it's a little complicated, not too much, but to set it up and stuff like that, to switch back and forth, Now, this here, what's nice about this here is it's, let alone that it's free, but it does have a lot of things you could do with it. For instance, let's just get started with this here. All right, we're going to get back to the where you could get this software downloaded. When you click over here, this little star here, a little moon, sun, or what do you want to call it, you're going to get the quick adjust. Okay, you're going to have here, you get the histogram, red, green, blue, whatever, contrast, and sharpen, and so on. Now, with this here, if you want to sharpen your picture up, you would just go like this here with this arrow, just sharpen it up like this here, and you can make it really sharp. You could really make the picture pop, really crispy, really. And it's only a Logitech Brio camera, webcam. To me, this looks just as good. The clarity-wise, now other people out there may beg the difference and say, well, I don't know about that. But to me, it looks just as good as the DSLR. Okay. Now, the other webcam I have, if I switch back over here, this one here, this is a C920, the Logitech C920 webcam I have. Okay. Here is my other one I used to use on my laptop. You probably wonder why I got the laptop there. I got it because in case I get any messages from eBay, I want to be able to respond to them after I do my video. That's why I got this on here as well. And I also got my phone muted. Okay, my phone has been muted, so any calls come in, you'll see the light come on, but I do not answer calls when I'm doing a video. Now, with this program here, you could also do live streaming, but let me just get a little more into the functionality of it. Like I said, I just got it yesterday, so I'm not no pro on it here, okay? But I just want to share some of the things with you guys. Maybe you may want to check into this here for yourself. But when you go over here, it says more canvas features. You'll have over here, and they have a little screen window, because I always like to do it to see how it looks on the big screen, but they got a little screen over here, and you can move around. Like over here, it's a blackboard down, and you can see the colorization. It changes. Okay, this is like a bluish color here. Then you got cinematic, which is a nice color too. If you want to see what it looks like, with the full version, this is what it looks like, with the full view here. All right, and then they got other one here: Frost, Fuji, Kodak, Martian, whatever. That's like a nice warm color, right? Let's say it looks, yeah, a little too warm for me. And then you got over here nature. Let's see how nature looks. I know I can look at the little screen here, but I like to see it on the full view. Yeah, that's not bad too. That's pretty good. And then you got some other ones over here, warm camera, warm cinema. And then you got one over here, wildlife, whatever. But for all argument's sake, we're going to keep it at the original. Then if you go over here, before you save and close, they have color light. Like you could do the contrast. You click the button on here, it changes it. Well, you're going to click it on first, and then you could change the contrast on here. So you can make it a little different like that, okay? If you're in doubt, you don't like the way it looks, you could always hit the reset button here, and it'll, puts it right back into full function, where it was originally. You got brightness, you got color balance, you got gamma, exposure, and so on. Now, if the exposure, if I wanted it to lighten it up a little, I click on the exposure button here, and you could just like fine tune it. It's like, okay, this looks pretty good. I want it on the bright side. If it's too dark, like let's say you come on here and it's a little too dark for you, you could always brighten it up, all right? So let's see, I think I will brighten this up. Let's see something here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I mean, I like it. Again, if you don't, you could always, get the little, see this little circle here, this thing here? You could always click that on there, and that will reset everything back to its normal, settings, okay? Over here, then you got Sharpen and Blur. We already did the sharpen on here. You can see you can sharpen it up, make it nice, picture look nice and crisp. Remember, this webcam I got here is nothing like the Logitech Pro, so if you see a difference in clarity, and function, the focusing is on a lot better. It's because there's two different webcams here. This one here, the one I have, the Logitech Brio. This was a kind of a pricey webcam for me. It was anyway, and you're going to get a better picture. It's also 4K. Okay. Then over here you got artistic. You got the linear transfer. You could do it this way here, and you play around with it. You could play around with it over here. Okay. You could just mess around with it, green, blue, whatever. And again, you never have to worry, because if you don't like it, just hit the reset button. And they got different ones. U rotation. Okay, they got morphology. Okay, and then you would play around with that there. Let's see what that does. Yeah, okay. See what it does there, folks? And it makes it, woo, okay. All right, I'm not really crazy about that one, but we'll reset anyway. And they got different ones in here, invert, and so on and so forth. Then they got frames. If you want to put yourself in a frame, not many frames, you could probably add your own, probably download them from another source. You click this on here, and when you slide this button over, boom, it puts a frame in it. Also cuts you out of the picture as well, but it's just to show you what it's all about. You got the window over here. You can do the window again. They got a little, like I said, it's got a nice little thing. You got vignette over here. That's like that old look, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, like it gives you that look there. Well, I don't know, vignette, whatever you call it there. Again, you could play around with it like that. You could do it at your own leisure. Then they got over here transitions. They got over here crossfade, fade out, fade in, swap. I like the crossfade in one respect. I tried that yesterday, and when you hit save and close, man, it has a thing. In order to activate that, you got to do a save and close. And what happens when you move from one camera to the other? Let's see if it works. There, it goes like that there. See, and then it goes back. Well, now in order to get the fading back on the top, on the webcam, on the first camera, like this here, I have to go in to this here, to this window, right? And I got to go into transitions, okay? And then I would put the crossfade in there, save and close it, and this is what happens when you do it on both now, okay? And then you go back like that there, see? I really like it, folks. I think, to be honest with you, I think it's a good program. It's free. I'm going to show you where you can get it. They got a website, a YouTube channel, and stuff like that. I have no problem with it whatsoever. If you want to add photos to it, stuff like that, let's hit this arrow over here. It brings you to another window. Setting it up is easy. If you have to add a camera, another webcam, you would just go into here like that, and you add. So you could add a camera. That also allows you to add IP cameras too. I wasn't sure that they're the cameras that have IP address. I think those are those motorized ones that we're talking about. You could do stuff like that. When you automatically minimize the screen, you will automatically be right over here. You're right over here. You automatically do that there. I like it. To me, I like it as a YouTube creator. I think it's pretty versatile. I was going to buy that thing. Was it Roland? I guess they're called the Roland thing. I could show you on eBay if you want. It was, well, I can get over here at my local store, my Micro Center. It's an electronics store. They want like $2.99 for it. and it's a little box, and it's got 2 switches on there, like all I would need for my 2 webcams. And what you do is you crossfade. You swipe in and out. You slide the little bar there, that little, I forget what they call it, transition bar, whatever it is, and you slide it back and forth, and it closes one picture out and it puts you into another one. This basically does the same thing. Now, some people will bake it and say, nah, I'd rather get the other thing. Right? Well, that's up to you. Look, I'm putting it out here, folks, to show you guys. You know, I try to get things, I try to save people money on things like that. I was going high and low. I said, I'm looking for a program that's going to suffice my needs. And this one here pretty much does it, okay, as far as I'm concerned. And when you want to add images like this here, it's cut and dry. You just go, you save a copy of it. What I did is I went to the YouTube channel, and all I did was I copied the screen here, and I put it in here. And to add scenes, with the little plus button here, you click that on, and when you go into your files, to get an image, you got to click it on. You go to media and you click on image. It's going to take you to your picture file. So let's say I want to put, I don't know, let's put this on here, like an advertisement. That's another thing too. If you want to put an advertisement there, like before you leave, you could just put this here. And of course, you got to make it bigger, like this here. If I can get there, let's say, like that. And I could do a little thing and say, you know, on the way out, guys, you know, on my last part of the video, don't forget to subscribe, you know, whatever, something along that line. And it's easy to get rid of. They got, if you look over here, it's got a little trash can, and you can make a copy of this as well by clicking this on. It drops another window down. Now you got a copy of it. Do you need it? I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm just sharing it with you. So this is pretty cool little program. And also, what's nice about it, if you add another scene, you could also add a video clip in here too. When you go to video, you click on, if you got live video pictures there, you could get one. I don't know. I don't think I have any right now. Well, maybe this one here. This one I had, oh, sorry, this one I had early. I was testing it out. So let's see here. So now this is in this is over here. See, I tested out. I think I muted the sound on here. But now I can go, I could, you know, and you could add, I don't know how many you could add, but this here is what, you know, you could do with it, okay? So there's different things you could do with this here, and I love it. I really do. I love it so far. I got no complaints with it. Again, that's what it's all about. I'm trying to show you some other features with it besides the transitional thing there. Let's see over here. Effects. It also has the effects in here. It has Chroma Key. Now, okay, we already did the effects on here. Frames, the background. They got the Chroma Key here. I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying that Chroma Key is not, you know, there's anything wrong with it. I'm not too familiar as far as that part. I know of Chroma Key. I got a white backdrop right now, so but you could read more into this as you go along, okay? And again, they got the different LUTs there, you know, color and so on and so forth. Also, with that, let me show you a little more. Let's transition back to go back over here again. Oh, there we go. All right, let's transition back over here. Then I have over here, if you want to stream, you go to stream settings. You could add a channel. Okay, you could add a channel to it. You want to go live on YouTube, you click on here, and it's going to tell you there is a video on it. So it's how to broadcast on YouTube. You click it on, continue, and it's going to ask you for your stream key. Now, people probably don't. There's a stream key with YouTube, absolutely, and there's a video on that on how they'll show you. Well, let me bump out of here on how to upload it. Use this here for streaming on YouTube. Oh, my camera, my webcam. I want to make sure that the laptop is up. Yeah, so that's pretty cool too. I haven't done a live video yet. I don't know. I'm a little apprehensive. I don't know how many people would actually watch it and stuff like that. I don't know. I can't say. But I mean, one day I will probably take the plunge and go in and people say, what's so bad about it? What do you feel so apprehensive that you don't want to do it? You know, you feel, I don't know. I just don't. I just don't feel comfortable with it for some reason. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do it one day, you know, good, bad, or indifferent. I mean, whether people show up or not, I'm still gonna, maybe I still should go live and try it out. This program will let you do it, and there is a website. And a matter of fact, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to share with you guys. Let's see here. Then they have this little thing here where, if I can get it to work, they have this little thing here where you could add. I guess when you're doing live, you can't see it over here because it's got a price on there. If I can move it, see what it says $5. Well, I guess when you're doing a live stream and someone makes a donation, stuff like that, every time they do something, I don't know, you're probably saying, yeah, but it's a fixed number. I know. Well, this is just an example, but they have something like this here, you know, that you could add to it there. And how to add up to, you know, how to, you know, look it up or fix it up, whatever, you know, to make it work to your likings. You would click this on here, and you would go into this window over here, tip notifications. They got my free cameras, Bond cams, Cam 4, Cam Soda, Chatubate, whatever, Strip Chat, whatever. They got all these different things here. And again, if you click this on, you could always change the picture in there if you choose to do so. Okay. Now I can't say for sure how this functions. You know, the function on this is going to work because I didn't really go there. I didn't take it to that next level. But it's got a nice, like I said, it's got a lot of nice features. If you're going to do the audio mix, I can't do it now because I'm recording with my Blue Yeti mic here. As you can see in this video over here. This is my Blue Yeti mic. You know what I like about it, folks? When I watch the other YouTube creators, how they transition in and out, I like the transition phase, you know? I just like it. It makes me, because I could picture if I bought that Roland for $300, it would basically do the same thing, you know what I'm saying? And what I like about this, I don't have to go into OBS, you know, to do a live stream. I could just copy this here. Now, if I want, I had this full version on here, full view, with the with PowerDirector 20. I'm using PowerDirector 20 Ultimate, so I'm doing a full screenshot. But think about this. If you don't want to show the people out there, what you could do, like what you're doing, like how you transition from in and out, you're seeing it now because it's a full view, and I'm just showing you. I'm doing a demo on it. What I would do is do a custom layout, and I would just do this part here, right, for my video, and that's what you would see. You wouldn't see the little sidebar there with the little videos and stuff and the two cameras. You wouldn't see it because all I would be doing is videotaping this part right here. And you could do that with the you could customize it where I could just record this, which is a nice feature too. Well, that's with the PowerDirector. But again, I like the way everything transitions in, and I really think it's pretty cool the way it works. And you could do it with the mouse too, but I think it's pretty cool the way it works like that. And I feel good about it because I was all ready to go out and spend $300. And not only that, I would have to buy the HDMI cables that would connect, you know, that would accept a USB cable. In other words, I'd have to get my what do you call webcams, they're USB. I would have to get one where you plug the USB into the HDMI cables and then plug it in that unit. And then I'm not even sure if it's going to 100% work. I'm thinking it would, you know. And that the only thing is with that is it's more like on a professional level, kind of like, but a very basic professional level, because I seen them going for like as much as $3,000. I mean, you could buy them and they got all the special effects on it. This one does too, but it's very basic. And some people may say, well, you know, $300 isn't really a lot, especially for your business. But, you know, I work with what I have. You know, I always look at it this way. I only spend what my wallet dictates. You know what I'm saying? So if I only have if I'm in a budget and that's all I could afford right now, that's what I stick with. But right now, I don't need it because I like this here. I came across this here. I said, when I started playing around with this program here, I seen the way it worked. I said, I love it. I said, I got to learn a lot more on it. You might say, well, how much more is there to learn? Well, there's little odds and ends here to pick up on. You know, all right, the new project and all that stuff there, the view log. They got online video guides, online help, support for them, and they got the settings, and you could also exit out. But there are little things to this here that you could still learn to, you know, still learn how to use it. Let's see what else they got over here. Well, I showed you that already. All right, I think I did enough with that there. If I come across anything else, I will be more than happy to share it with you guys. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bump out of here. Well, it'll automatically minimize. That's what I like about it too. So I'm going to go in here, and we're going to go right to the site itself. I should pop up somewhere here. Am I going to pop up? No? That's interesting. What happened here? There's something that's messing me up. Oh, this is okay. Well, that's an email thing there. I'm just curious of what happened here. Did I log out of this here? Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe I got to do this. Oh, there we go. Sorry. I'm still learning. Sorry, guys. Need a little swig of water here. The only thing is, if I'm transitioning, I don't know if I could transition to 2. I don't think it'll let me transition to 2. No, I think when I'm in this mode, I can't transition back and forth like that. All right, so let's close this window out because we don't need two of them. All right, here is the this is the I'll drop the links below. Okay, I'll drop the links below. I like the way it looks too. Look at it; it's got nice clarity over here too. You know, the picture looks really nice. Well, I mean, I sharpened it up too. But anyway, I'm gonna drop the links to this here so you could see it for yourself. You could try it out. It's free. If you don't like it, uninstall it. All right. It says over here, do more with split cam. It says over here, use it for live streaming, video recording, game streaming, presentations, and online classes, and for fun. Okay. You got a free download. It's got for Windows and Mac, as you can see here. They got the home, the download features, plugins, help developers, contact, and whatever. I always put down here for the, you know, we're going to ask us for, you know, English, Russian, I think that is. I don't know what the other one is. Just make sure you set it for English, whatever. And then you click over here, the features. Discover all the features. Again, this is called, and it's called Split Cam, okay? It says discover all the features Split Cam has to offer. Use the navigation bar below for more comfortable journey in your features. And again, I think, from my understand, it works with, yeah, you could do multiple streams. Okay, you could do multiple streams. So the way I understand it, if you're on here, if you use this service here, you could use when you're streaming, you could do YouTube, Facebook, live stream, Twitch, and whatever that one is, and Skype and Google Plus. I mean, you can see that, and there's something else over here I can't see. It's a little faded out for me. All right. Then it goes on to say multi-streaming, as you can see here. All right. Then it's got over here virtual webcam, which it is. I did try it, did record that first one I showed you with the picture of me. That was me recording on the unit itself. Okay. Screen switching, you could do that there. As you know, that's what we did before, screen 1 and 2. Audio mixer, that there again, it works great. The only thing is, if I did that there, then I had to change the thing around. Like I say, guys, you could play around with it on your own. Okay. Then you got a tip notifier. That's the thing I just showed you with that little thing there, the little bear or cat, whatever it is. Video image files, desktop screen share, which we're doing right now. Slideshow, I didn't do the slideshow in there, which is pretty cool. You could also add text to it. Okay, you could also add text to it. Video recording, all right. Color adjustment stream settings, and so on. Now, if you want to go over here, when you click this on, this here is the site where I got it from. Now, when you come here, don't go to the one. If there's one that has it where you're going to download the, what do you call it there? WinZip, you don't want it. Okay, you don't want that one. That's not the one you want. If you come here to this site here, this is where I got it from. Okay, Split Cam 10 5.38. All right, you hit to start the download. Now, if you get it, if you come here and you see one that starts asking, like, you know, to sign up with WinZip file, then you don't want that one. What you want to do is then come to this screen here. Oh, that's the other one there. What you want to do is, let's say you come to here, I'll give you, this is the one I'll give you. When it comes here, you see where my mouse is here? Click on Split Cam right here, okay? You don't have to do anything to the version because it's going to take you automatically. When you click it on, you're going to get their free download, okay? Now, there was another one over here. Where is it now? Live stream. Was it this one here? There was another one. I think I don't know if I got messed up on this one here. Well, anyway, if you click on the free download, oh, that's it. It's going to take you over here. And look, it's doing an auto already. It's doing an auto one up here, auto load. This is the one you want to come to, okay? You're going to come to this one. This is the one you want, and you click it on. It's going to, well, see, when I clicked it on, it automatically started download. I already have it. But this is the version you're looking for, 10.5.38. And it's for Windows. Make sure it's for the Windows version you're looking for. Then I also have another one here for Windows 10. There's the X64, which I think that's my system, 64-bit. And now the X86, that might be an older version. I'm not really sure. You could look into that there for yourself. And once you get there, folks, you know, then you could, like I said, after you download it, you could start playing around with it. You could read more about the features like we already did. You could see what they have to offer, okay? And again, you could do more with Split Cam, okay? And again, if you're at this window here, you should be able to just do the free download anyway, all right? As I said over here, Split Cam, splitting, webcam, broadcasting, audio mixer, webcam effects, all right? Let me just go back over here again, and I'm going to close this video out. Again, folks, I hope you like it. I mean, I love it so far. I got no complaints on my end. I think I like it a lot. I like it, and I like the way it transitions in and out. I know. I just like the way it works, you know. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys we'll try it out, especially if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you want something like this. Who knows? Maybe you guys might want to just buy the actual device itself to do the switching. But I mean, it's for free. You know, you can't complain. I can't complain. I mean, why not? Why wouldn't you want this if you're getting it for free? I mean, it wouldn't pay to go spend all that kind of money. For those who are new, though, I just want to share this with you guys real quick. For those who are new, if you're new hitting my YouTube channel for the first time, I just want you guys to know that I try to do. I call my website, for all intents and purposes, I made this thing up. It's called the His Initiative, and what it is to help inspire and share. And what I like to do, folks, is when I come across things that might be helpful to you, where you could save money and get almost the same effects, you know, or usage out of it anyway, I like to put that information out there. Okay, when I came across this here, I was debatable. I said, I don't know if people are gonna really want to see this here, but you know, if you never try it out, if you don't, you know, I felt if I didn't put it out there, you know, there may be people out there that might not know about it. I didn't know about it. And I came across this here accidentally because I was trying to look for stuff up on my Stream Deck to, how to make the functionality. The only thing I want to do with my Stream Deck, I got the Elgato Stream Deck, as I showed you before. We'll just go over here very quick. This here is the Elgato Stream Deck here. And what I wanted to do, and I couldn't figure it out, I was playing around with it. I wanted to have the transition buttons here where I could press the button here and then it would transition to the next scene. Okay, I couldn't figure that one out. I was trying to play around with it and stuff like that. So basically, you know, I'm compelled to use the function keys here, the control 1, whatever, and that's how I have to do it for now. But I don't care. That's the least of my worries. All I was looking for was a software program. I know they have OBS. I think that's free too. You can download it, but I don't know. I heard it's a little much to set it up. That's what I heard from other creators. I don't know. All I wanted was something like this. This fits the bill, right, so to speak. All I wanted was something where you click it out, you could transition from one scene to the other. You could also add a video. You could add images. You know, you could even add text. You're probably wondering, well, let's see how the text works. Okay, so what you're going to do? Let's see if I get over here. Let's try this here right now. Let's see if we can get this here. Oh, my laptop always times out on me. Is it this one here? I think it's this one right here. Yeah. And what's nice about it too, if you wanted to add text here, let's say you wanted to do like something, I don't know, let's get rid of this bright stuff here, whatever, during your live stream, or you want to put a thing over here. You could also do it where it's it also scrolls too, but you could change it over here. You could do all of that there, right here, right at your fingertips. Okay, so you could do a blank, you could blink, you could scroll, you could display the date, and they got the settings over here as well. So, I mean, I don't know what more I can say. I love it. Like I said, I got no complaints with it, you know. I could always put a little message here, like I'm going to do now here. Oh, let's see if I can get it out of here. You probably wondering, oh, I know what he's going to put there. Here. Oh, you can't see it. Let me change that color there. If you were saying, oh, I know what he's going to say. Yeah, let's see here. Let's try it again. All right, I know what I'll do. Yeah. Let's see what happens here. Bear with me, folks. Like I said, this here. Let's see. Let's get a blue with this here. Still got to get I got to get used to this here. And we can close this down, I guess. Like I said, I still have a lot to learn with this here, to be honest with you. And you could also do the scroll. There you go. That won't stay like that, of course. You got to close it out. As far as I know, right? Yeah. You could also display the date. Okay. And I guess that's how it would be on your screen. If you want to put like a little message there, you could do something like that. See? I think it's pretty cool. And of course, this won't be here. I don't think so. There you go. And you could leave something like that there. Or you could probably put an image there too. That's the other thing someone said too. I think you could put an image there if I'm not mistaken. Let's see how that's possible. Like that there. An image, a video, text, playlist. Man, there's a lot of stuff, little things you could do with this here. I got to go to pictures again. I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't know exact. I thought I seen in a demo where you could put like a picture there. I don't know if that would work. Oh, you can. There you go. See? You could put a picture there too. I don't know. I really like it. I think it's really cool. I really am happy with this here, guys. And you know what? I'm happy I could share it with you. Okay. Now you're probably wondering, does this blue line stay here? I think eventually it disappears. I would think. I don't know. I would think it does. I don't know. Like I said, I'm still learning with it. I just got it last night. It was late at night, so I was playing around with it. I'm trying to get it this morning. I said I got to try to figure some other stuff out, but I really think you guys would like it. Try it out. What do you got to lose? You spend a little time with it, and if you guys like it and it's working for you and you're making nice videos with it and stuff like that, please drop a comment below, share it, with us or with me, whatever, or all of us, whoever follows my, subscribes to my channel, share it with us. I'd like to see what you're doing with it, But going forward, most likely, I will be using this program to do my videos. The only thing is, like I said again, folks, is I don't know. Like I said, here's how I'm going to do it. When I do videos, I'm just going to copy the screen itself. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you're not going to see this here. So when I minimize this, I close this like this, you're not going to see that. You're not going to see the little sidebar with the pictures there. And when I transition from one thing to the other, you're not going to see me doing that there. Well, you'll see me when I do it like this, transition, but I have to use my function keys, control keys for that. But otherwise, though, I think you guys are going to like it. I really do think you guys are going to like it. I love it. All right, listen, I'm going to let you go. I don't want to keep talking about this here. I'm going to drop the links below for you to check out. If you want to subscribe to, well, that's another thing. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I hope you get a takeaway from it, okay? And if you're a newbie, thank you again for giving me a shot, subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. I will be putting more videos like this out. I also do, don't worry, I still do the reseller news and the Let's Talk eBay. But I'm also a vlogger, okay? And I'm looking to create more videos, and I'm hoping that I can grow this channel with greater numbers in due time. I know I'm not going to get there just yet, but it's growing there slowly but surely, thanks to you and your help, okay? So I just want to say thank you so much. I really do appreciate you taking the time to hear me out and check this out, okay? I really hope you guys like it, all right? Well, it is Friday. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And again, if you do like my videos, I hope you guys like me. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. Until next time, bye-bye for now.